So up here it needs to be A1. Down here can just relax, you know, soak in the moisturizer that you apply, the serums. Hey guys, welcome back. So today's video is a drugstore, I was about to say full face, guys, half face tutorial. This is perfect for everyone who is going back to school right now, everybody who is just wants a nice natural everyday work makeup look. This is a new norm, guys. Honestly, we have to get used to it. I'm going to show you guys how to achieve a half face full coverage everyday drugstore makeup look that you can do. It's literally I'll say less than 10 minutes or 10 minutes tops to achieve this look. So half of my face is not done, but the upper half is done. So I'm going to show you guys how I got this look. Please let me, are you guys hearing me right now? I feel like you guys aren't hearing me, but if you are new to my channel and haven't subscribed, make sure you're subscribed, hit the bell so that you're notified each time I upload. Leave your comments down below, give this video a big thumbs up, and let's just get into this. Alright guys, so I'm starting off with bare skin. I haven't done anything yet. So I'm trying to keep the products that I use very minimal. We don't need to be doing much since we're going to be wearing a mask. Our main focus is our brows, our eyes, and our dark circles. Literally, like, you don't need much. I have less than 10 products here, probably less than 8. So we're definitely not going to need a lot of products. So the first thing I'm going to do is moisturize. I'm taking my Pond's Clarant B3 Anti-Spot Cream to just help even out my skin tone. You just want to make sure that your skin is nice and moisturized under your mask. Alright guys, so I'm going to move on to my brows. I'm taking my NYX Epic Ink, my NYX Micro Brow Pencil in the shade Espresso, and I'm just going to fill in my brows. I want my brows to really be just nicely done, and for a lot of people, brows are like the most tedious part of makeup. Like, you just want to make sure that they come out really good, and just make sure that your brows are on fleek, as they would say. So I'm just gonna go ahead and just fill in my brows. Alright, so my brows are pretty much filled in. What we're going to do next is just clean it up. So I'm going to take my CoverGirl Undercover Concealer in Cappucino. This is my perfect match concealer. I am going for a more natural looking face. So this is my perfect skin color match. It's not going to highlight my brows or anything. So I'm just going to use this for the top portion and bottom portion of my brows just to clean it up. And guys, most of the products that I'm using today are, actually all of them is drugstore. So if you want to achieve the same look for back to school, back to work, or whatever, I will link all of these products in the description box below, and you guys could pick up the exact same things. So I'm just going to use the same concealer to outline the top portion of my brows as well. Alright, so I'm going to take my fluffy brush and just blend out the concealer. I like to use my fingers and just blend the remaining concealer in, just to warm up that concealer and really blend it into my skin. I like doing that because it just gives my concealer just a natural skin-like finish. So I'm just gonna make sure that everything is fine, make sure that all areas are filled in, and that we're good to go. All right, so they're sisters, they're not twins, but brows are done and out of the way. So I am going to prime my skin now. I'm gonna take my Essence My Skin Perfector Tinted Primer and just apply this to my T-zone, so my forehead, my nose, my chin. And I like this tinted primer because it already kind of blurs out any imperfections, because my forehead is pretty much what is going to show, so it literally blurs everything out. All right, so now that we are primed, we are going to conceal, and I'm taking the same concealer I used to clean up my brows, the CoverGirl Undercover Concealer in Cappucino, and we are just going to apply this underneath our eyes just to wake us up. This concealer is my perfect match. It's not going to brighten, but it is going to conceal, just to make it look like we are awake and ready for school, ready to tackle the day, ready for work. We want to look awake. So I'm just gonna apply this to my under eyes, and I am gonna let it sit for a bit. Even though this is a full coverage concealer, I feel like leaving the concealer to sit for a while really gives the coverage. As of lately, I've been having pretty bad under eyes, like it's pretty dark, so I've been trying a new technique where I just wait and let the concealer sit for a minute or two and then blend it out. So that is what I'm doing now. So I'm gonna take a dense blending brush and just blend out the concealer. And I am gonna just take the remaining and apply it to my lids as well. All right, so that's pretty much it. Okay, so this part is optional. You can literally do your lashes and go out the door, put your mask on after this. But me personally, I like to brighten under my under eyes. So I am gonna take my LA Girl concealer in Fawn and just dab a bit. I'm not going too much because I'm not doing a full face, so I don't need to put too much. So I'm just gonna put 2 dabs of this underneath my eyes, and that's pretty much just gonna brighten underneath my eye. Alright guys, so the next step is to set your concealer. You always want to set your concealer because you do want this to last throughout your whole day at school, work, or wherever you may be going. So I'm going to take my Maybelline loose powder in the medium deep shade and just set my under eyes. I also set the concealer on the top of my eyelids as well. So as you guys could see, that really brightened up my under eye and everything is looking more awake and just, I'm ready for the day. Like I am ready. So I don't know if you guys are noticing, but I am not putting anything under here because this part of my face is not gonna show. Like people are not going to see this part. So I feel like I'm good with just my tinted primer and that's it. So now that you've set everything What you do with your eyes is optional. Me personally, I like to add lashes, so I'm going to apply my lashes off camera and then I will be back. All right guys, lashes are on. I'm gonna go ahead and take my Maybelline Great Lash Mascara and just blend my lashes. What the heck is on this? I'm just gonna take my mascara and just blend my lashes with the falsies. And again, this is optional. You do not need to add falsies. You could literally just add mascara and be out the door. I'm also gonna apply it to the bottom of my lashes, my bottom lashes. All right, and your last and final step is to take a powder that is your perfect shade. This is the Maybelline Pressed Powder in 355, and I'm just gonna dab this on my forehead just to set everything, and underneath my eyes as well. You don't really need to contour because people are only seeing literally up here. That's all people are seeing. So up here it needs to be A1. Down here can just relax, you know, soak in the moisturizer that you apply, the serums. Like down here could relax. You could make sure that your lips is nice and moisturized underneath the mask. Like down here, you do not need to worry. So that's pretty much it. I'm gonna spray my face, taking my Catrice Anti-Shine Fixing Spray and just lock all of this in place. And now you could apply your mask and you are ready to go. You're looking like Jasmine, or I don't know, a ninja, a cute ass ninja, okay? You are ready to step out of the door. All right, so that is about it, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Super quick and easy school, work, anywhere makeup tutorial for wearing a mask. This is the new norm, guys. We have to get used to it. You still look nice and put together, but you only did half of your face, girls. So yeah, if you guys enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up, leave your comments down below, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye guys.